TuneIn's mission is to deliver the world's best audio experience to its users. So mobile is a major part of our strategy at TuneIn. Users are starting to use mobile more and more, and that trend's not going to go. That's not going to go the other direction. It's going to continuing to be a large driver of the industry. And so it's crucial for us to be on mobile and be a part of mobile, because that's where people are listening. People are listening to music, talk, and sports. When they're not kind of in an easy place to do it, they're on the go, they're out on the town. When I first started doing performance marketing a number of years ago, there weren't companies like AppsFlyer out there actually. So we actually had to go out and build these tools to be able to track installs. And it got to the point where we had one, maybe even two full-time engineers working to just integrate SDKs of all these different partners. And one of the things that we quickly figured out is that kind of attribution is actually really hard. When I came to TuneIn, I almost immediately knew that we needed a mobile attribution partner. I had worked before where we tried to create the service, and it was a lot of work and it wasn't our core functionality. And so it was crucial for us to go and find the right partner to do this part of the business for us so that we could focus on the core of our business. We chose AppsFlyer over the competitors, one, because of cost, two, because it had an API that allowed us to pull the data out of AppsFlyer's system and into our own system so that we can do analysis on those users. The biggest challenge that AppsFlyer helps me solve is I have an entire dedicated team that is focused on one thing, and that's attribution. And so I don't have to think about that. I've got kind of a partner that is doing this for me. AppsFlyer is an essential part of our performance marketing decision-making process. And without it, we wouldn't be able to deploy the level of budgets in the time frame that we're looking for.